What up, about this your boy ALLEYCAT, man. One half of the South Finest Produce Market. What up, bro? Yeah, man. I've been staying in Pratt all my life, you know what I'm saying? 32. So all I know is where I grew up at. That's the house I grew up in, you know what I'm saying? But that day, it's like I was at work. Partner hit me up, he was like, where you at? I like, shit, I'm at work, man. He was like, looking real bad over here, man. So I was like, damn. I asked him, was his crib straight? He was like, yeah. It's got a little damage, but down on your street, man, it's looking like a third world country. So at that time, basically, I knew it was time for me to go ahead and dip. You know what I'm saying? Get out and handle some business. So let my boss know that I need to go and ride to the crib. Basically, my partner, he was just saying it the way he did because he didn't want to let me know that my shit was just righteously just messed up like it was. So so by the time I get down that way, I can already tell by the time I hit Avenue W, you know what I'm saying, I can see more than what I could usually see because I guess the tornado had cleared the trees out or whatever. So when I turned up in my little area, man, I had to park like maybe 10 minutes away from the entrance of my actual neighborhood. And I had to get out and actually walk. So by the time I hit that corner, man, when I saw the destruction or what actually happened, it's just like a bomb had blew up in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's like something you would never believe could actually happen. Luckily, I wasn't at the house, but I can only imagine somebody who was at the crib while it was going down, you know what I'm saying? And then, not only while it was going down, but to be able to come out of your house and then see the destruction that was caused and knowing that you're still alive at that point. It's crazy. Like, once you see the footage of like what it really looked like, you can get a perspective of it, but you really can't imagine until you've actually seen it firsthand. If you just really just walking down those streets and going into those houses that you've been in before numbers of times over a number of years, and you know what different things are placed in that house, even if it's not your home, maybe one of your friends' homes, you know what different stuff is located, and now you see it totally different. It's totally different than what it used to be.
Have you relocated and how you been adapting since then?
Yeah, I relocated, man. Not too far from my spot. Probably like 10 minutes at the max from where I used to stay at. But you know, it's a process. Just getting adjusted to being in a new surrounding when you're used to having your own, you know, and now you're in a new location. It just take time, man. So you know, just trying to get adjusted to the whole situation or whatever. Contemplating on the whole situation of rebuilding or moving. So that's like one of the major things that's going on right now. Just got a lot of time to think about that right now, though, for real.
Can we go out there to your old place and take a look at it?
Yeah. We can go out there most definitely, man. We'll go out there, man, and I'll show y'all what it looked like. Take y'all through the block or whatever. Take you through some more spots that got hit, and you know, let them see what it really looked like.
Well, and it's Pratt City in Birmingham.
Yeah, it's Pratt City, man. Pratt City, Birmingham, Woodcrest, Huntington Hills, you know, Smithfield Estates, Timber Ridge, all that.
what room we headed to now?
Shit, it's like my little junk room, basically. One of the junk rooms. Now, show me that. Where show we came in this bitch? That damn debris and everything.
That's your diplomas.
Yeah, dad is a diploma. Crazy.
Damn.
Hold down, man. Yeah, that'll be alright. Get the bedroom over here.
It was your bedroom.
Yeah, this is my bedroom over here.
Damn.
Now you can see what that shit look like. See how all that shit ain't touched? It look like that bitch just hit down right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Goddamn. Went this way. Straight up the street. You see
Damn.
what I'm saying? Because all that shit up there ain't fucked.
Yeah.
It's damaged, but it ain't fucked with like that. Like that shit dropped right there. Bent the corner. And all the way up the motherfucking road.
This shit crazy, man.
Oh.
This is crazy. Like you can see literally through to the other house inside it.
Sunroom or some shit.
Yeah, that's what I mean, man. This is how long y'all been staying here?
Shit, all my life. 32. Nigga, all my life, man. Shit crazy. That shit came. That shit right there was sitting like right here. The dresser.
Yeah.
That shit was sitting right here.
Yeah. You alright though? You making it?
Good right now, man. You know.
Good spirits?
Yeah, you know. Gotta keep your head up, man.
Yeah. We're glad you still here with it, dog.
No doubt, man. Just looking for a bigger picture, man.
Yeah.
About it for real.
Yeah, with the living room.
Yeah. That shit right there. See that mattress sitting up in that motherfucking tree?
Yeah. God damn.
Yeah, that shit gangster.
What I mean, what's going through your mind like right now?
Shit, man. I can't even say for real. Ain't nothing the words can really say, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know a lot of memories and
Yeah, that's basically about it. There's a lot of memories, man. It's the second time, so thing is rebuild or move, you know what I'm saying? That's the big question.
You said the second time?
Yeah. Like first time, like everything we just saw, that one touch,
Yeah.
first time it hit that shit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? This time it hit everything down here. So it's like, I don't know. Rebuild or move?
Yeah.
That's the question.
Yeah.
That's the question right there. Major question.
And we standing in the living room, and you can see no roof at all.
The whole house.
The whole house, the complete roof is completely gone. Full circle, it's gone. That's crazy. Yeah, we can go out and put that in the car. We probably can walk a little bit. What room this was right here?
It was like a little den, you know what I'm saying? I had the section going right here. That's usually why I be lounging. If ain't no stairs, be lounging like right up in here in the sectional and the flat, you know what I'm saying? See the windows blowed out. Yeah, the wrap.
It's still there, huh?
Still there.
It's amazing.
Still there.
Got the other bathroom, right?
What it is.
Yeah.
Rebuild or move. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, all this shit right there come up anyway. Depending on if it's structural damage or not, I just have to put a whole lot out.
Oh, yeah.
And just start from scratch, you know what I'm saying? It don't seem like it's none, but you can't really tell by the eye.
Yeah.
That shit might be shifted or something, ain't no telling, man. The bricks and cinders look like they held up pretty good, though. Some of the studio equipment that ain't working.
Oh, they already not working anyway, or?
Yeah, them H, the highs blowed in them holes.
Oh yeah, them M audio. Then.
Yeah, the highs blowed. I gotta get that vinyl up out of here.
Yeah, you definitely want that.
I gotta get that vinyl out of here. That ceiling fan right there, that's the one that was in my bedroom.
And it's out here now.
Yeah. All the way in the front of the house.
Front, yeah, that's what I was saying. Because I know from the back.
Yeah, from the back to the front.
What street this is, man?
Lamplighter Lane.
Out here.
Southampton.
Southampton.
Lamplighter Lane.
Been there all your life.
All my life, 32 years. What I grew up to.
Never suspected this, never seen no shit like this.
Never seen no shit like that, man. Like a bomb went off in there, man. Only thing I can say about these houses, one for these bricks, lower level being built on them bricks, you know what I'm saying? That's the best thing. That's about the only house right there where it's completely all the way down to the bottom.
Bottom, yeah.
Everybody else, you see like the top half is messed up, bricks still standing, you know what I'm saying?
Tell me the street again.
Lamplighter Lane.
Southampton, Pratt area, Birmingham.
My boy Trail crib.
This right here.
Yeah. Trail house right there.
He alright?
He good, he good. I seen him the other day. On 20th Street. Trail, you see him up here right now.
On 20.
Yeah. One mall crib. And his folks, they good. Joe. I want to know what Joe like that black. What's going on? Where Bam at? Where Bam at? I know some other folks, I don't know who they were. Some folks in the white van, they was out here taking pictures early. It looked like they might have been Red Cross or something.
You gonna be back?
I don't know, man. I'm thinking. Yeah, I was thinking that too.
But you gotta sell that land.
Yeah.
You still gotta pay tax on it and insurance on it. Yeah.
I was thinking that too, but that one house up the hill, man, they just not built that on that spot. This year. On the last, that's 13 years, man. Long time.
It's the same tax. We have to do something with it. But I guess call when you get the building, I hope.
Yeah. Yeah, ain't no telling that.
Okay, man.
All right, Joe.
I'm Jan Simon.
But you know, with no deaths and then.
Nah, no deaths, no deaths. I don't even think there was no injuries, really.
Yeah, that's a blessing, man. What you finna say?
I'm about to say, you know, I got them pits, man. So, one of my pits was in the garage. She was alright. The other one was in the backyard of this house. That's how we found it. The next day, I thought it was dead. It was in the backyard of this house right here. And then my other one.
The backyard?
Yeah, it was trapped over here. Trapped over here up under the gate behind some bushes. But she just tripped me out because they was in the gate. I had a gate around the whole house. It tripped me out there how one of them was in the backyard of this house. You see what I'm saying?
One still in the gate.
Yeah.
And then one over here.
Yeah. So it's like, what the fuck? How the fuck that happened?
Yeah, exactly.
Motherfucker was scared as hell. Wouldn't move.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Wouldn't move.
Damn. When you found it the next day or what?
I found it the next day. I thought like the first day I thought it was dead. I went in the backyard, called him, I ain't him, and then so next day the neighbor across the street was like, man, I think one of your dogs in my backyard. So we went back there, checked. Sure enough, he was back there in the back.
Damn. I heard some amazing story about these animals, man.
Yeah.
My partner Pat, he had one similar about his dog.
We basically had one right here, one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there.
A little closer. Which one was your partner the duck one?
Right here where all the work is right here. Married couple and 2 kids stay right there. As you can see, all that shit ain't nothing but debris, so you wonder how the hell they got
out of there. They was straight though? Take a look over here.
Right through here, old Pratt Highway. See the cars going, this old Pratt Highway right there. Take you to St. Charles and Blunt, Sandusky, back where the fire is there.
Been hearing a lot of stories about lootings.
Yeah, man, they done caught a couple of them, but you know, so they gonna do what they gonna do regardless.
Yeah.
You know, as you can see right now, ain't no type of police and no type of National Guard out here trying to secure nothing. But pretty much everybody got most of their valuables already out, so
yeah,
they're good on that part. But Scavengers gonna get what they can get anyway. Look right there, it's a garage door. It's a garage door right there, man.
Man, this one whole complete house, completely demolished. Look like they might have had a kid. They had kids.
Yeah, they had 2 kids, a little boy and a little girl.
Man. And I understand you gotta be in good spirit, but this shit gotta be kind of depressing, dog.
Yeah, it is, man. Like, you know, and this is like, what, 2 weeks?
2 weeks later.
2 weeks later, you can just imagine what it was like. Shit.
That day.
Day of, you know. Even the day after.
Even now. Yeah, you know what I mean? This is the entrance. As you can see, the house is over here. They went through it. Can you get up in here? I don't know. I ain't trying to probably can, but right there is wood, Chris. See how they all one levels. Most of them gone right now. Right here on the corner. See, they got Southampton apartments. Can't even get in now. You know anybody stayed out here?
Nah.
Anybody up through this way?
Nah. Red cross out there. House is completely gone, man.
Gone.
You don't see nothing but the foundation and a big ass tree.
This way?
Yeah, we're going this way, headed toward like Fultondale and Gardendale, all that. So let me do the house count for you right here. I know it's one right here. I know it's one right there. This red brick here. I know it's one right here.
It's a pretty big house right here too.
Yeah, they got smaller as you came down. I know it's 3 more right here. As you can see, them are brick cinder blocks. You see them cinder blocks right there. Look at that though. You don't see nothing but cinder blocks. Ain't no house. Some aluminum from somewhere else, probably aluminum roofing or something like that. But ain't no house right there. Period. Even no remnants of a house for real.
Man.
Pratt Library. It's Avenue W. At the very end of Avenue W, basically. Nothing. Alright, so what we're coming up on right now used to be a gas station called Petro. Ain't no gas station no more. Ain't never pumps. The whole building gone. In the background, you see another little neighborhood. It's part of like Smithfield Estates. All that gone, man. See, this street here went through it.
Couple people still out picking up what they can. As you can see, damage.
Whole top half of the house gone.
Hopefully they was in the basement.
As you can see the entrance to the basement right there in front of it. Cars messed up. More cars. Spots where houses used to be at. flag flying.
No house. Hopefully they was in the basement. I can't even say hopefully they was in the basement.
Yeah, because it's looking crazy too.
I can't even say that.
It's Cherry Avenue. Schnaut Street.
Yeah.
Right in front of us, Tim Maria's apartments. Right across the street, what you're looking at is Sky School. That's where a lot of the donation spots is, you know. FEMA set up, Red Cross set up. You know, if you need toiletries or whatever, that's where you need to go, right here to Sky School. Infamous gas world.
That's the police station.
Other side of Southampton Apartments, you still can't get in. Everybody evacuated. Julio shop, work on cars. That shit on the roof. Been doing this music thing for probably like since '91. You know what I'm saying, started off as PCP, Pratt City Players, with my partner Stickerbush, my partner my partner G-Ray. Then we changed the name to LOC, Lyricists of Culture. That's where you might know me from. Did a lot of shows back in the days. LOC primarily now. Everybody just doing their own thing, but my thing right now is just working and making beats. And did a lot of tracks for a couple of artists that's out there now. So that's just what I do right now. Go to work, come home, create. That's it. Show y'all the little temp studio for right now, you know. This is basically what I'm working with. So this is my little temp spot for right now. Until I get back on my feet. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Produce market.
Yeah, you got the MPC, what that's 5,000?
Yeah, that's the 5,000, man. Got that Elise's Fusion down there.
Alright.
So, you know.
Then you got a name tag on it.
Yeah, man, that's from my old job, man, you know.
Yeah.
Had to keep that little piece there, man.
Right, you running Pro Tools?
Yeah, Pro Tools, the Digital too, you know. I got two Macs. I got one of them hid up under there. You can't really see it, but I got the other one over there to the right, you know.
Alright.
I ain't really doing no recording right now. As you can see, the mic is just posted up in the corner on the break. I ain't really doing no recording, but as far as beats, we can get down on that, you know what I'm saying? But no vocals right now. I'll put it that way.
Bet.
Yeah. people out here, man. Check on these dogs. Peppy Dog by the string himself. I ain't never come up with no name for him, so I just call him Peppy Dog.
Peppy Dog.
That's his name.
Alright, let's go.
My girl dog right there, Denim. That's the one. It's a long story, but she was found like across the street from my house the day after the storm. He's the one that was found like up under some bushes and some shit like that. So that's my boy dog right there, Polo. So I got Polo, Denim, and Peppy Dog. I gotta straighten the chain out for you.
That's the best you came up with, Peppy Dog.
Yeah, Peppy Dog, man. What up? Once again, it's your boy ALLEYCAT, one half of the South Finest Produce Market. Want to give any donations or you want to get at your boy for them beats, you can get at me 205-886-7945, or you can get at me by email, producemarket@gmail.com. Shout out to my folks off in Pratt. Shout out to everybody in Birmingham. Shout out to Tuscaloosa. Pretty much anybody who went through what I went through as far as the storm wise. Most definitely got to give a shout out to my boy T-Ignite, November14th.com. You know what I'm saying, for looking out, doing this piece on me. That's what it is. How?